Hola, hola, bienvenidos, bienvenidas a la lección 37. In today's lesson, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into the concept of to like and to dislike in Spanish. We have already touched upon this topic several times in the past. We have used this structure me gusta, no me gusta, but today we're going to explain a bit further how precisely it is formed in Spanish and how does it work. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the verb. Gustar means to like, no gustar to dislike. Okay, so gustar, no gustar. As you know, in Spanish, when we say that we like something or we don't like or we dislike something, we don't use the subject yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ustedes. We use instead the pronombres objeto indirecto, the indirect object pronouns. What are these pronouns? These pronouns are, you see them here, me, te, le, nos, os, les. In addition to that, in Spanish, we can also add these little words here. A mí, a ti, a él o a ella, a nosotros, a vosotros. Sorry, this is a repetition. A vosotros, a ellos o a ellas. So why are they in brackets? Because we can say them or omit them. It doesn't change anything. So according to your preference, you can say them or not. It doesn't matter. What really matters is that you use these pronouns here. So these are mandatory when you talk about like and dislike. You have to use them. There is no other way around. Additionally, you can also add these terms right here. But as I said, they are in brackets because they are an addition. Okay, so these pronouns, what do these pronouns do? They indicate who benefits from or is affected by the action of the verb in the sentence. Okay, but anyway, this is grammar stuff, but it is really very simple. So to say I like, instead of saying yo, subject, instead of saying yo, I say me gusta. I dislike, no me gusta. Or I can say a mí me gusta. A mí no me gusta, and so on, okay? So remember, you have to use these pronouns, me, te, le, nos, os, les, and additionally, you can also add these things. A mí, me, a mí, no me. A ti, te, a ti, no te gusta. A él, a ella, le gusta, a él, a ella, no le gusta. A nosotros, nos gusta, a nosotros no nos gusta. A vosotros os gusta, a vosotros no os gusta, a ellos, a ellas les gusta, a ellos, a ellas no les gusta. Okay? So if you have to use the dislike verb, no gustar, in that case you have to put the no, if you're using these additional things, you have to put the no in between. If not, simply before the pronoun. Okay? So let's see the verb no gustar or simply gustar, how to form these words. So you have to use, for example, in the presente, the verb, yes, because the verb is always the same. So depending on singular and plural, it changes, but it is the same for every person, same for every pronoun, okay? So let's see, at the presente, we have no, then the pronoun me, te, le, no, os, nos, os, les, or a mí, no, me, a mí, a ti, no, te, etc. Plus the verb gusta if the action, if the verb, or sorry, if the something or the someone we are referring to is singular or is a verb. For example, if I say I like this book, so this book is singular, and so I have to use gusta. In this case, a mí me gusta este libro. If I have to say I like these books, plural, then a mí me gustan estos libros. I dislike this book. A mí no me gusta este libro, and so on, okay? So in the present, the verb is gusta for singular, gustan for plural. And remember, it is the same for every pronoun. A ti te gusta este libro. You like this book, and so on, okay? Pretérito perfecto. Again, no plus the pronoun plus ha gustado if the subject is singular, han gustado if the subject is plural, okay? No me ha gustado este libro. I did not like this book. I disliked this book. No me han gustado estos libros. I disliked these books. No nos han gustado estos libros. We disliked these books. And so on. Pretérito indefinido. Again, no plus the pronoun plus gustó o gustaron. So, les, a ellos les gustaron estos libros. They liked these books. A él no le gustó este libro. He disliked this book. Okay? And then finally, imperfecto, again, no plus the pronoun plus gustaba o gustaban. So, a ti te gustaba este libro. You liked this book, or you used to like this book. And so on, okay? So, gusta o gustan, ha gustado, han gustado, gustó, gustaron, gustaba, gustaban. Okay? So, again, to specify, gustar in Spanish is like, no gustar, dislike, and this works as so in the sentence. Let's first of all, okay, it will be too confusing, so let's analyze the sentence and so we can understand better how it works. So I like traveling. In English we use subject I, then the verb like, and then the object traveling. In Spanish it is the contrary. The subject here is not I. As you can see, there is no subject here. No, I cannot say yo me gusta because the subject is not I. The subject is viajar, traveling. So, who benefits from the action of liking the traveling? Me. I benefit. So, me gusta viajar. As you can see, viajar is a verb, and so I use the singular version of the verb gustar. Me gusta viajar. I like traveling. In this other sentence, me gustan los viajes. Los viajes is plural, so you have to use the plural version of the verb gustar. So gustan. And then in this sentence in Spanish, the subject of the sentence is los viajes. Okay? I am me gustan. This me is the object. The travels are liked by me, but I am not and so the subject of the sentence is the travels, not me. Okay? That is why I don't have yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ustedes. Well, sorry, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Because the subject, contrary to what happens in English, in which we have I like travels, so I subject, the subject is the travels, not I. Okay, I hope it is clear. That is why I say me gustan los viajes. Okay? Let's carry on. A ella le gusta el maquillaje. Again, el maquillaje is the object. El maquillaje. Gusta because el maquillaje is singular. And we have a ella, which we can omit. We can say a ella or we can simply say le. So a ella le gusta. Remember, le is always mandatory. The pronoun is always mandatory. A ella or a él or a usted, etc. You can put it or not. It doesn't really matter. Anyway, so a ella le gusta el maquillaje. So el maquillaje is the subject. Literally, it would mean el maquillaje gusta a ella. So the makeup is liked by her. And you see, the makeup becomes the subject. In Spanish, the makeup is the subject. That is why we have gusta. Gusta o gustan. And the verb doesn't change. Again, I hope it is clear. So, a ella le gusta el maquillaje. She likes the makeup. Okay? The makeup is liked by her. This is basically what the Spanish sentence means. Let's carry on. A él le gustan los coches. A él le gustan los coches. So, los coches gustan a él. The cars are liked by him. Again, a él le. Remember? Le. The pronoun. The cars are liked by him. In English, we say more simply, he likes cars. In Spanish, we use this structure. Los coches gustan a él. So, a él le gustan los coches. In which the subject, again, is los coches. not me, not he. Os gusta cocinar. Cocinar gusta a vosotros. So, the cooking is liked by you. You like cooking. Because cocinar is a verb, we use gusta. Okay? So, cocinar gusta a vosotros. Os gusta cocinar. You like cooking. The cooking is liked by you. You can see in a sentence like this that the cooking becomes the subject. That is precisely what is happening in Spanish. I hope it is clear. A ellos les gustan las fiestas. Again, las fiestas gustan a ellos. Parties are liked by them. And so, a ellos les gustan las fiestas. Las fiestas is plural, so I use gustan. No me gustan las arañas. Las arañas no gustan a mí. So, spiders are not liked by me. No me gustan las arañas. I don't like spiders. Las arañas is plural, so gustan. No le gusta la ensalada. La ensalada no gusta a ella. So, the salad is not liked by her. She doesn't like salad. No le gusta la ensalada. ¿Te gusta el verano? El verano gusta a ti. So, the summer is liked by you. And so, te gusta el verano. Pay attention, what I'm doing here, so you have this sentence, te gusta el verano, to make you understand that el verano is the subject of the sentence. I'm switching it a bit and saying el verano gusta a ti, but keep in mind that to say el verano gusta a ti in Spanish, yes, it is technically correct, but it is very archaic and we don't say it like that. It's just to make you understand that the subject of this sentence is el verano, okay? Contrary to what happens in English, in which the subject of the sentence is you. Okay, so, ¿te gusta el verano? No os gustan las verduras. Las verduras no gustan a vosotros. So, no os gustan las verduras. You don't like vegetables. Vegetables are not liked by you. A ellos no les gusta el invierno. A ellos no les gusta el invierno. El invierno no gusta a ellos. They don't like the winter. Winter is not liked by them. You see, el invierno is the subject, so gusta, singular. A ellos no les. No me gusta mirar la tele. Mirar la tele no gusta a mí. So, watching the TV is not liked by me. Pay attention that the subject is watching the TV, not the TV itself. Mirar la tele, not la tele in itself, okay? So if I say mirar las películas, no me gusta mirar las películas, still I have to use gusta, even though las películas is plural, because the subject is watching, mirar, which is a verb, and so I have to use gusta. Okay, so no me gusta mirar las películas. The subject is mirar las películas, verb, and so gusta, singular, even though las películas is plural. Okay, but anyway, in this case, no me gusta mirar la tele. Mirar la tele no gusta a mí, so watching the TV is not liked by me. I don't like watching TV. Very good. So now we can answer these questions. ¿Cuál es la cosa que os gusta más? ¿Cuál es la cosa que os gusta menos? What is the thing you liked the most? What is the thing that is more... Literally, this means what is the thing that is more liked by you? Okay, so what is the thing that you like the most? And what is the thing that is less, menos, less liked by you? So what is the thing you like the least? Okay, for example, las cosas que me gustan más son viajar, leer, tocar la guitarra. También me gusta salir con mis amigos y escuchar música. La cosa que me gusta menos es recoger mi habitación. So, las cosas que me gustan más. The things that are liked by me the most, so the things I like the most son viajar, to travel, leer, to read, tocar la guitarra, to play the guitar. También, also, me gusta salir. To get out is liked by me, so I like to get out con mis amigos, with my friends, y escuchar música, and to listen to music. La cosa que me gusta menos, the thing that is liked the least by me, so the thing that I like the least, es recoger mi habitación. This means to tidy my room, is tidying my room. Recoger means to tidy. Recoger mi habitación, tidy my room. So, the thing that I like the most, the least, is tidying my room. Very good, congratulations.